Now I request Mr. Ashutosh Kumar making ceremony.
All the houses, attention! I request flag bearer of all the houses to come forward for the oath taking ceremony.
Oath will be taken by Miss Siddhi Goyal of BPH 5th semester.
In the name of all houses, I swear that we shall take part in the intramural competitions for the academic session 2025-26, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, without the use of doping and drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sport and the honor of our houses.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we will chant.
All the houses, right turn! All the houses, back time!
Now I would like to request Dr. Sanjeev Yadav to please escort the chief guest to the saluting dais.
Today, as the contingent of our houses step forward, each color they carry tells its own story.
Now, marching forward with unwavering determination and hearts full of compassion, we present you the pride of our institution, Mother Teresa House. Inspired by the life and legacy of Mother Teresa, this house stands tall for its values of selfless service, humility, and unwavering dedication. Clad in purple color, these marchers house with discipline, unity, and spirit of giving. With heads held high and spirit unshaken, Teresa House marches not just for the glory, but for a purpose greater than themselves. Let the world witness grace and greed walk hand in hand. Approaching the dais, Mother Teresa House. Placard bearer Shivangani Khalija, flag bearer Ruma Devna, and the commander of Mother Teresa House, Kritika Singh.
लास्ट सेकंड के बीच वाली
Mother Teresa House is not a building of bricks and stones, but a temple of love, service, and compassion. give a resounding welcome to the fearless and vibrant Sarojini House. Placard bearer Siddhi Goel, flag bearer Kajal Yadav, and the commander of fearless Sarojini House, Kazal Singh. Marching forward, named after the legendary Sarojini Naidu, poet, freedom fighter, and the voice of the nation. This house embodies courage in action, elegance in expression, and unwavering resolve. Dressed in orange color, their synchronized steps reflect unity, discipline, and strength of character. मेहनत और लगन सृजन के संग हम भरते हैं उड़ान उमंग के संग, हर दिल में है उत्साह का उजास, यही है सरोजनी हाउस का विश्वास.
The great lady fighter, Maharani Padmini House. Legacy of the great warrior queen Maharani Padmini, commander of the house Asha Kanwar, leading their ranks with the same grace and bravery that defined the queen herself. This house stands for dignity in battle, fearlessness in challenge, and pride in tradition. नीले रंग की शान, पद्मिनी की पहचान, साहस की गाथा, जगमगाती है उनकी आन. नीले आसमान की तरह अनंत है उनका मान, पद्मिनी की वीरता सदैव रहती है महान. And next approaching the last year's champions of 2024-25, the wise and resolute. The wise and resolute, Sir Aurobindo House. Named after the visionary philosopher, yogi and nationalist Sir Aurobindo. This house stands as a symbol of perfect harmony between strength, wisdom, body and mind. At the front, leading with pride, placard bearer Sukhkaran Singh, flag bearer Gajendra Singh, and the commander of the house, Deepak Bora, guiding their contingent with discipline, focus, and the spirit of true champions. कलम और विचारों के धनी औरबिंदो थे ज्ञान के रत्नमणि। कलम से क्रांति, शब्दों से प्रकाश, औरबिंदो का नाम है इतिहास के पास।
Mighty and fearless Pratap House, named after the great warrior King Maharana Pratap. This house stands for courage, leadership, and an unbreakable spirit. Clad in blue color, placard bearer Anand Saini, flag bearer Bhanu Pratap, and the commander of Pratap House, Henry. महाराणा प्रताप, जिसने हमें सिखाया कि सम्मान जीवन से भी बड़ा है। जिस धरती पर महाराणा प्रताप ने कदम रखा, वहां साहस ने जन्म लिया। निडर योद्धा, अड़िग संकल्प और मातृभूमि के प्रति अमर प्रेम का प्रतीक। With roar of tradition behind them and fire of ambition within them. Just like their namesake, they fear no challenge and back down from no fight. Clad in blue color, their disciplined formation and unwavering focus reflect their dedication to honor and excellence. Next, approaching the Royal Shivaji House. Presenting the placard bearer Vinod Sen, the flag bearer Atharv Saklani, and the commander of Shivaji House Sparsh Kumar Man, named after the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a symbol of fearless leadership, justice and unmatched bravery. This house embodies strength, wisdom, with heads held high, feet marching in rhythm, and hearts full of courage. This is Royals. स्वराज्य मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. Every step takes echoes the spirit of their namesake. Blood, strategic, and driven by purpose. They led not with power alone, but with principle that inspired generations.
And now stepping forward with unmatched energy, the Veer Subhash House, named after the great Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. bearer Nishchay Agarwal, flag bearer Mohit Keher, and commander of the house Ravendra Singh. विजय उन्हीं को मिलती है जो सब कुछ दांव पर लगाने का साहस रखते हैं। सेट बाय द ग्रेट लीडर नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। आज़ादी का जुनून जगाए, देशभक्ति का राग सुनाए, सुभाष नाम हमारा हर दिल में साहस भर जाए। And next approaching the indomitable, the Krantikari Azad House, carrying forward the fearless legacy of Chandrasekhar Azad. Forefront, placard bearer Karthik Tudu, flag bearer Ritesh Sharma, and the commander of the house Dipesh Pawar. मलते रह गए हाथ शिकारी, उड़ गए पंछी तोड़ पिटारी, आखिरी गोली खुद को मारी, जियो तिवारी जने उधारी। This house embodies unyielding courage, unshakable will, and the fire of independence in every step they take.
Presenting the Scindia School Brass Band. Scindia School Brass Band have always been a symbol of pride and tradition, combining the richness of music with discipline of marching.